In this question, we have to simplify the expression given in the question. So the expression given is 6x square y plus 6xy square. So we can take 6xy common and the remaining part is x plus y. So this expression matches with the expression given in option A and hence the correct answer is option A. In this question, we have to simplify the expression given in the question. So let's move to the solution, which is the expression is 3x cube plus 8x square minus 4x plus 7x square minus 11x and minus 7. Now the like terms here are 8x square with 7x square and minus 4x with minus 11x. So we can bring them together and then we can obtain 3x cube. Now 8 plus 7 is 15. So 15x square and then minus 4 plus minus 11 is minus 15x and then minus 7. Now this expression matches with the expression given in option B and hence the correct option is option B. In this question, we have to simplify the expression given in the question. So the expression given is 1 over a plus 3 over 4. Now we have to take the LCM, which is equal to 4 times a. Now to bring 4 times a in the denominator in both the terms, we can do 1 times 4 and a times 4 plus 3 over 4. Now here we can do 4 times a and 3 times a. Now this makes 4 over 4a plus 3a over 4a. Now since the denominator is same, we can add the numerators, which gives us 4 plus 3a over 4a. Now this expression is similar to the expression given in option B and hence the correct answer is option B. In this question, we are given an expression which is equivalent to the expression ax square plus bx plus c, and hence we have to find the value of b. So the given expression is 15x plus 34 times minus 8x plus 3. Now this, we can open the brackets. First we can multiply 15x with the second bracket and then we can multiply 34 with the second bracket. Now 15 times 8 is minus 15 times minus 8 is minus 120. We can get minus 120 squared. 15 times 3 is 45, which gives us 45x plus 34 times 8 is 8 4s are 32. 8 3s are 24 plus 3 is 27. Now this is negative, so minus 272 times x plus 34 times 3 is 102. Now we can further simplify this expression. We can get minus 120 x squared minus 272 plus 45, which gives us minus 227x plus 102. Now since this expression is equivalent to the expression given as ax squared plus bx plus c, that implies that a must be equal to minus 120, b must be equal to minus 227, and c must be equal to 102. Since we have to find the value of b, hence we can say that b is equal to minus 227. In this question, we have to simplify the expression given in the question. So the expression is 4 plus 8x over 12x. Now we can take out 4 from here, then we can write 1 plus 2 times x over 4 times 3x. Now since both numerator and denominator has 4 as common, so we can cancel them, which gives us 1 plus 2x in the numerator and 3x in the denominator. Now this expression is similar to the expression given in option C, and hence the correct answer is option C. In this question, we have to simplify each of the expression given in the options, and then we have to check which of the expression, the simplified expression, matches with the expression given in the question. So before checking, we should know that there is a formula which says that a plus b times a minus b gives us a squared minus b squared. So let's check option A first. Now the option A is 18x minus 22 times 18x plus 22, which simply is 18x squared minus 22 squared, which gives us 324x squared minus 484, which doesn't matches with the expression given in the question. So let's check option B, which gives us 18x minus 22 and 18x minus 22, which is basically 18x minus 22 the whole square. Now we know that this expression consists of something x squared and something x then something, which of course doesn't matches with the expression given in the question, and hence we can say B is also the wrong option. Now we can check C option, which gives us, which is in the form of a plus b and a minus b, so we can write this as 22x squared minus 18 squared. The 22 squared is 484x squared minus 324. Now this expression matches with the expression given in the question, and hence we can say that the option C is the correct option. In this question, we have to simplify the expression given in the question, and then we have to select one of the option which matches with the simplified expression. So the expression given is x square times x square plus y times y plus z. So we can take x square out and then we can multiply y plus z with it, and then we can take y and then we can multiply y plus z with it. So we can get x square times y plus x square z plus y squared plus y times z. Now this expression matches with the expression given in expression B, and hence we can say that the correct answer is option B. In this question, we have to simplify the expression given here, and then the simplified expression will look like this expression, and then we have to compare both of them, and then we have to find the value of k. So let's move to the solution. So the expression is 15 times x over 36x squared plus 18 times x, which gives us 15x in the numerator. We can take out 18x from the denominator as common, then we can write 2x plus 1. Now further simplification is needed here, so we can do that we can say this is 3 times 5 times x, and this is 3 times 6 times x, and the common is 2x plus 1. Now we can cancel x and x, we can cancel 3 and 3, so we can get 5 over 6 times 2x plus 1. Now this expression is similar to the expression or the equivalent to the expression 5 times 5 in the numerator and k times 2x plus 1. Now comparing both of them, it implies that k should be equal to 6, and hence the correct answer is option B. In this question, we have to simplify every option to check if any of them matches with the expression given in the question. So let's start with option A. Option A is 3 times x square plus 1 whole square. X square plus 1 whole square is x power 4 plus 2x square plus 1. Now this expression contains a term with x square, hence this is not the correct answer. Let's move to option B. Option B is 3 times x square minus 2x square plus 1. Now this also contains a term with x square, hence this is also not correct. Let's move to option C. Option C is 3 times x cubed minus 1 times x plus 1. Now we can simplify this expression. We can get 3 times x cubed times x plus 1 minus 1 times x plus 1. Now this further simplification, we can get x power 4 plus x cubed minus x minus 1. Now this term also does not matches with the expression given in the question, and hence this is also not the correct answer. Now since only one of the option is left, we can say that the option D must be correct, but let's check it. The option D is 3 times x square plus 1 times x plus 1 times x minus 1. Now this two term we can say should be equal to a plus b and a minus b, which is equal to a square, which is x square, and minus 1 square, which is 1. Now again in this and this, we can apply the formula of a plus b and a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. So we can further reduce it to 3 times x4 minus 1, which is equal to 3 times x4 minus 3, which matches with the expression given in the question, and hence the correct answer is option D. In this question, we have to simplify the expression given in the question. So the expression is 3 over x minus 1 whole over 6x minus 6. We can write denominator in 1 to make it similar to the numerator. So now we can transform this into 3 over x minus 1 times 1 over 6x minus 6. This can be written as 3 times 1, which is 3, and x minus 1 times 6x minus 6. We can take 6 out from the denominator. We can take 6 out from the denominator, and then we can get 3 over 6 and x minus 1 and x minus 1. Now we can cancel 3 times 2, which will give us 1 over 2 times x minus 1 whole square, which is similar to the expression given in option D, and hence the correct answer is option D. In this question, we have to simplify the expression given in the question. The expression is 2 times 3x square minus 5 whole square minus 3x square minus 5 whole square. Since this and this are same, so we can say that 2 times 3x square minus 5 whole square and minus 1 times 3x square minus 5 the whole square is equal to 1 times 3x square minus 5 the whole square, which is equal to 3x square minus 5 whole square, which is equal to 3x square whole square minus 2 times 3x square times 5 plus 5 square, which is equal to 9 times x power 4 minus 2 times 3 is 6, and 6 times 5 is 30. We can say that this is 30 times x square plus 5 square is 25. Now this expression is similar to the expression given in option B, and hence the correct answer is option B. In this question, we have to simplify the expression given in the question. The expression is x times y minus x square over x times y minus y square. We can take x out from the numerator, which will give us y minus x over, we can take y from the denominator, and then we can get y times x minus y. Now from the numerator, we can take minus 1 out, and we can write it as x times minus 1, and we can interchange the sign with y and x, which is y will become negative and x will become positive, so we can write that x minus y over y times x minus y. Now we can cancel x minus y and x minus y from the numerator and denominator, then we can get x times minus 1 over y, which is nothing but minus x over y, which is similar to the expression given in option D. Hence the correct answer is option D. In this question, we have to simplify the expression given in the question to see if it matches with any of the options. So the expression is x square times 2x minus 3 minus 2x minus 3 over x minus 1. Now we can further write it as x square. Here we can say that there is 1 here, so we can say that this must be equal to x square minus 1 times 2x minus 3 over x minus 1. Now here we can apply the formula or the identity, which is a square minus b square, which is equal to a minus b and a plus b. So we can write x square minus 1 as x square minus 1 square, which is equal to x minus 1 times x plus 1. So we can say that this must be equal to x minus 1 times x plus 1 times 2x minus 3 over x minus 1. So we can cancel x minus 1 and x minus 1. We can get x plus 1 times 2x minus 3. This is also equal to 2x minus 3 times x plus 1, which is similar to the expression given in option B, and hence the correct answer is option B. In this question, we have to simplify the expression given in the question. So the expression is 3 over 3x minus 14 minus 1 over x minus 3. So this can be written as 3 times x minus 3 over 3x minus 14 times x minus 3 minus 1 times 3x minus 14 over x minus 3 times 3x minus 14. Now since the denominator is the same in both the terms, we can add the numerators, which will give us 3 times x minus 3 minus 3x minus 14 over 3x minus 14 times x minus 3, which can further simplify into 3x minus 9 minus 3x plus 14 over 3x minus 14 times x minus 3. Now we can cancel 3x and 3x, and minus 9 plus 14 is 5. So we can say that the numerator is 5 and the denominator is 3x minus 14 times x minus 3, which is similar to the expression given in option C, and hence the correct answer is option C. In this question, we have to simplify the expression given in the question. The expression is x squared times x plus 2 x minus 2 plus 4. We can apply the formula of a plus b times a minus b must be equal to a square minus b square, which in this expression is x plus 2 and x minus 2, which will give us x square minus 2 square plus 4, which is equal to x square times x square minus 4 plus 4, which can be further simplified into x square times x square minus x square times 4 then plus 4, which is equal to x power 4 minus 4 times x square plus 4. Now this can be written into x square the squared minus 2 times x square plus 2 square. Now this is similar to x square minus 2 squared, which is similar to the expression given in option A, and hence the correct answer is option